Hello, my name is Ahmed and I'm a fourth year medical student in Grigore T, Popa. And today I'll be telling you about finances in Iasi, so stay tuned for some really useful and interesting information. Living abroad for nearly the past 3 years has helped me manage my money in a more efficient way, such as budgeting, paying bills, and also groceries. So one of the essential parts of your journey here in Iasi will be to find a good apartment. Now let me give you some examples. Living in a one-bedroom apartment would cost you anywhere from 300 euros to 400 euros. Living in a two-bedroom apartment will cost you anywhere from 500 to 600 and beyond. So I will give you some real-life advice on how to save money here in Iasi. So personally, I live with a roommate and we share a lot of the expenses. Now, regarding the rent, we pay around 500 euros. So we split that bill and I pay 250 euros and he pays 250 euros. Whereas a person living in a one-bedroom apartment would be paying anywhere from 300 to 400 euros. We also cook together, so this saves a lot of the money compared to going outside and buying fast food or meals outside generally. I'll be talking to you now about transportation here in Iasi. So listen, it might be very tempting to take a taxi to your desired destination. However, a way to save money in the long term would be to use the public transport. Now I believe the public transport here in Iasi is quite well put together. We have trams and also buses, and you can buy a monthly ticket and that will save you a lot of money in the long term. Another area where you can improve your finances here in Iasi would be banking. Let me tell you a personal story. When I came here 3 years ago, I used my Irish card to do all my grocery shopping. And at the end of the month, when I got my monthly statement, I was shocked to see the conversion rates. I was introduced to Revolut by a friend a few years ago, and that helped me a lot in saving money here in Iasi. So Revolut is a mobile service and it helps you with the conversion rates. So that's how I learned how to manage and save money using apps like Revolut and many others like it. And my final tip on how to save money is to actually make money. Now let me give you some examples. My first example would be to teach students from the lower years. Now that not only would help you to make more money, but also to learn the subject in a deeper level. A second example would be if you have any sort of skills such as painting, video editing, or even translation, you can go on an online platform to make money there. Now this will save you on a lot of time by not having to go to a remote location to work at a part-time job, and you could do it at the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and all the tips and tricks that I have presented you. I hope you apply this in your own life or here in Iasi. For more videos like this, please check out our YouTube channel.